Now, we talked about SIBO in other videos, and this product and the ones below it are all about SIBO. SIBO is small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. So this product, the one I'm explaining right now, is Repairvite SE. I mentioned that in the previous video when we talked about Repairvite SE. So if you're dealing with a lot of bloating and gas, SIBO can be a factor, and if you're taking a lot of probiotics and that's aggravating, or leafy greens and all of this, and you feel plant starches are bloating, SIBO, to know if you have SIBO, or a great indicator, is someone whose bloating progresses throughout the day. In the morning it's the best, but then after that the bloating just gets worse and worse throughout the day. If you have symptoms of that, have a challenge with probiotics. That creates bloating. Starchy type vegetables creates bloating, and it's very uncomfortable. A Repairvite SE is probably going to be what you want to start with. It's very mild, it's very gentle, and it doesn't cause problems.